Cracking Packs back again. Topps Cosigners 2007. First off, we got to do our Rudy. Got Citrus Slam, Fruit Punch Blast, Blue Fuel, Orange Lift. Look for it at a retail store near you. Alright, let's go. There it is. That was like 2 minutes right there.
Topps Cosigners, brought to you by Rudy. Cracking Packs.
How many packs we got?
We got 12.
12 packs.
I'm not going to hear Dave in my ear about hurrying it up.
Let's get something good. Two Matt Leinarts back to back, huh?
Very
Oh,
nice.
wait, but we missed the Steven Jackson.
Oh. It's always nice when you get two of the same card in the one pack.
Not the same, because there is parallels.
Oh, there's one gold.
One is something and the other one's something else.
Oh, fantastic.
See how that's nice and green? That means it's to 75.
Interesting.
Once you play the song you wrote for Paris, Chad.
This one right here. That's it.
There we
Your
go.
first hit
Hey.
is a Raider. Zach Miller. Look for him in the Pro Bowl. That means $40 booking right now.
That was like a real cheesy leap because they went with a cheesy card. Oh, excuse me.
Troy Brady.
I think the best card out of this box so far was that Garrett Wolf rookie card. And the Cedric Benson.
Jay's favorite, Jeff Rowe.
Joe Montana. That's the best one.
One in every box.
Brian Leonard. Very exciting.
Nothing. Wow, I'm getting tired of seeing the base cards. Let's go.
I'm not looking for the numbers since I got yelled at last time by the producer.
Can't have delays.
Paul Blazniewski. How do you say it, Dave?
Pause losing?
Sure.
I don't know. Shit.
Zoo type.
Nope.
One last hit, Chad. That's what we're looking for. Probably a duo. Could be a triple. Could be a triple.
Or it could be a Cordell Stewart.
There's a double. What do we got?
Got a lineman, Steve Hutchinson and Walter Jones.
Double out auto.
So I got the ultimate lineman card.
That is big dollars on eBay. I have to give it a.
Two of the best in the business, but they're linemen.
Yeah. It's not a whole lot of people looking for linemen.
You never know. There could be a small market out there.
Yeah, I'm sure there is.
And
2 packs left.
2 packs left. 2 packs to get another hit. Ooh, a Greg
Greg
Olson.
What was that? What?
Never mind. Keep
Okay, never mind. I'm sorry. Getting a little excited. watch out for Greg Olson this year. Fantasy football, folks. Fantasy football.
Rooks.
And that's it.
And there you have it, folks. Look for that double signature lineman on eBay. It's going to be hard to get, so look out for it and buy it now for $2,000.